Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable autofocus on your XIAOMI Smart L1 projector. To do it, click on the settings button on your remote, then go to all settings and now find projector, go down to focus and then you can enable or disable autofocus. You can also execute autofocus now by selecting execute focus. Now it is autofocusing. And it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.